Welcome to this lesson on function parameters in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn about two powerful features: default parameters and named arguments. These features make your functions more flexible and your code easier to read and maintain. Default parameters allow you to assign a default value to a function parameter. Here, the greet function has a parameter called name of type string with a default value of guest. Inside the function, we print hello, followed by the name. If no argument is provided when calling this function, it will automatically use guest as the value. Let's see how to call functions with default parameters. When you call greet with empty parentheses, it uses the default value guest, so the output is hello guest. When you call greet with Alice as an argument, it overrides the default value, producing hello Alice. This gives you flexibility without requiring multiple function definitions. Functions can have multiple parameters with default values. The sendEmail function demonstrates this. It has 4 parameters. 2 is required, while subject defaults to no subject, body defaults to an empty string, and priority defaults to 1. This means you only need to provide the required parameters, and the rest will use their defaults unless you specify otherwise. Named arguments let you specify which parameter you're providing a value for by using the parameter name. In the first example, you can call sendEmail with just the 2 and priority parameters, skipping subject and body entirely. In the second example, you can provide parameters in any order you want by naming them explicitly. This makes your code more readable and reduces errors when functions have many parameters. Let's recap what you've learned. Default parameters provide fallback values when arguments are omitted, making your functions more convenient to use. Named arguments let you specify parameters in any order, improving code clarity. You can combine both features for maximum flexibility and readability. Finally, these features improve code maintainability and reduce the need for function overloading. Practice using these techniques in your own Kotlin projects to write cleaner, more professional code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.